welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good. So for today's video I have something really good. So it's been long time I reviewed a product. It's been super long. So today I'm here again reviewing a new product, which is this peel off mask from Wow, activated charcoal peel off mask. I actually did a peel off mask before. It was a charcoal mask. I got it from eBay for 204 rupees and we got like a packet. So use one packet at once. You can't really, save it for later because it gets dried out. So it was for 204 rupees. So yeah, I saw this one and I actually saw a lot of reviews on this one saying that it's really nice. A lot of beauty bloggers have been praising this product a lot, so I thought I should give it a try and share it with you guys like how it is actually. So I haven't opened the product yet, so I am just gonna talk about the packaging. It's really nice. Something I like about this product is that it's in a tube. The previous product I got was in a packets like sachets. You tend to waste a lot of product like that. Maybe you can't save for later. With this kind of a tube, probably you can actually use how much ever you wanted. This will come for more than 20 times, I suppose. That was only for 10. So yeah. So let's just read about how we actually have to use it. So apply a thin and even layer on cleansed face and leave the mask to dry for 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, awesome. That time it was 30 minutes, but it didn't dry. Like, it took me an hour plus some blow dry on my face. Oh, and then when the mask is fully dried, carefully peel it off. So that is it. We will just open this up and let's jump right into the video, shall we? Okay, the best thing and I would really love to have in any kind of such mask is this one. It's a spatula. So with this, my hands are not gonna get dirty, so I'm just gonna apply like that. Super wow. It also says it is dermatologically tested and 100% vegan and cruelty free. So I'm gonna quickly wash off this makeup and come right back to you and let's use this product. So I've washed my face and removed all my makeup. Then I have put myself in front of a steaming water just that my pores get open. So I've done all the rituals we have to do before applying this. Now I have this peel off mask over here. I have my mirror here, which I'm going to look into and apply this thing. So put on the whole mask. As you see, it was mentioned to make sure you don't touch it to any hairlines. So I quite did a pretty good job not letting my hair run into this thing. So yeah, it is said I have to wait for 15 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna put on a timer and let's wait. I'll come back to you after this whole thing is dried out. So it's been an hour, guys, and this has just dried up now. It took an hour. I don't know, all of the this kind of a peel off mask things, even that was the one I tried last time, even they said it was going to take 15 to 30 minutes and it took me 1 hour in that also. So yeah, let's just take it off. It definitely took off all the hair because it feels super soft. Let me just check the blackheads or whiteheads thingy. So the moment of the truth. It definitely did take out the blackheads and the whiteheads. As I see over this area, a few of the whiteheads are there. Okay, here I feel like the pores are completely empty and my skin became super soft. It feels so nice. And comparing it with the product I tested before and now, the sachets thing, as I mentioned, this one doesn't get really wasted. And one more thing that I want to add is that this spatula is a yay for me. So for this I would give it like an 8, and the way it works and all this stuff, probably I will rate this product 8.5. So yeah, that is it for the video, you guys. I hope you like it. If you did, like, share and subscribe. And I think this is going to be the last video of mine in 2018. So I will see you guys in next year. Until then, that's a love. Bye. Oh well, Happy New Year.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.